Far are ye gone the day, my Willie-o. Far are ye gone the day, sae blithe and bonny. God o'er the now and doon the brae, to serve the King you are bound away. Fan will ye come hame to old Jamie? I mind the war the winter's nights, you'd keep me frae home. The long warm days in the summer's light, doon on Holly's fair for ye and me would be sae free frae thoughts and frae cares, till the sergeant he come round and took ye frae my arms. Far are ye gone the day, my Willie-o. Far are ye gone the day, sae blithe and bonny. God o'er the now and doon the brae, to serve the King you are bound away. Fan will ye come hame to old Jamie? I mind the day you first come by, you'd come for the shearing. Do you mind how I caught your roving eye? But now I'm left here fearing, for now a dark and fan will be back again together. Year far now o'er the sea, when will I barely see his father? Far are ye gone the day, my Willie-o. Far are ye gone the day, sae blithe and bonny. God o'er the now and doon the brae, to serve the King you are bound away. Fan will ye come hame to old Jamie? I take the long road down, your clay's all in a bundle. I soon lost the sound of your tramping shoon, and my heart in a tumble, as I saw your heat gang out to sight, as I looked across the mountains. Far will bide wi' me the night, far will hide my burden. Far are ye gone the day, my Willie-o. Far are ye gone the day, sae blithe and bonny. Gone o'er the now and doon the brae, to serve the King you are bound away. Fan will ye come hame to your Jamie? Far are ye gone the day, my Willie-o. Far are ye gone the day, sae blithe and bonny. Gone o'er the now and doon the brae, to serve the King you are bound away. Fan will ye come hame to your Jamie?
town I was bred and born. Now in Stephen's Green, sure I die in scorn. I was apprentice to the saddling trade, but I grew up to be, a roving blade. At 17 now I took a wife, and I loved her dearer than I loved my life. And for to keep her in finery, I went to robbing on the King's Highway. I never robbed any poor man yet, nor any tradesman did I beset. I robbed the lords and the ladies' bright, and took their jewels to my heart's delight. I robbed Lord Golding, I do declare, I and Lady Mansell in Grosvenor Square. I shut the doors and bade them good night, and took their jewels to my heart's delight. To Covent Garden I took my way with my dear wife for to see a play. Met feelings many did me pursue, and I was taken by that cursed crew. My father cried for his daring son, my wife she wept and sighed, I am undone. My mother tore her white locks and cried, saying in the cradle, now he should have died. And when I'm dead and I'm in my grave, no fancy tombstone will I crave, just 6 bold highwaymen to carry me. Give them good broadswords and sweet liberty. 6 pretty fair maids to bear my pall, give them primroses and ribbons all. And when I'm dead they will speak the truth. He was a wild and a wicked youth.
Says I, my dearest Molly, come let us fix the time, when ye and I will married be, and wedlock us combine. When ye and I get married, love, right happy we will be, for ye are the bonny lassie, let's take by the road with me.
To part the road with you, sir, called 1,000 coming on. Besides my aged parents, had not a girl but one. Besides my aged parents, had not a girl but me. So know the bonny lassie, that's the part the road with me.
Oh, never mind cold winter, love, the spring will follow on. Come sit ye down beside me, and I'll sing you a nice song. I'll sing you a nice song while I diddle ye on my knee. For you're the bonny lassie, let's stick by the road with me.
All the other lads that I had, they proved of cruel mind. They beat me and badgers me, and proved to be unkind. They beat me and badgers me, and guard me through the day. 'Better give my love to them to part the road away.
that never day you rang. It's on my honest father's life, I swear I'll day me hair. I'll busky brow and fairer, so ye could bear the grey, as the bellow of the country round to the road with me. So she has done the hose and shoe to the cart they've gained, and lang in the morning that couple were made in, and lang in the morning her troubles were set free. For she's the bonny lassie that's to by the road with me.
She's the bonny lassie that's to by the road with me.
She's the bonny lassie that's to by the road with me.
The first place that I saw my love was after a shark fair. Little I thought that I would meet one so exceeding rare. Her sparkling eyes like diamonds bright were comely to behold. Her hair in ringlets wavering like shining links of gold. Oh, I stepped up to this fair maid with sentiments confined, for to amend my sorrow with nature's works combined. Said I, fair maid, your dwelling place from me do not conceal. She smiled and said, sir, I was bred nigh to sweet Donegal. Sweet Donegal, it is the place where my true love does dwell. That known place of beauty, admirers all can tell. No charming note of bird afloat all in the morning pale could charm the grove like my true love, the maid of Donegal. To sweet Kilcreen, where I have been, I now must bid adieu. It grieves my heart all for to part from